Click on the link below to get price. The Purple Leaf 9-foot by 12-foot Patio Large Cantilever Umbrella is designed to enhance outdoor spaces with its functional style and ample coverage. This umbrella, a notable addition to outdoor furnishings, is crafted to offer shade and protection from the sun, making it a practical choice for various settings, such as patios, gardens, and poolside areas. At first glance, the design of the Purple Leaf umbrella stands out. Its cantilever style allows it to be positioned away from its base, providing unobstructed space beneath it. This feature is particularly beneficial for areas with seating arrangements, as it allows for more versatile placement without hindering movement or obstructing the view. The dimensions of 9 feet by 12 feet provide ample coverage, making it suitable for larger outdoor areas. The wood frame gives the umbrella a classic and elegant look, which can complement a range of outdoor aesthetics. A key aspect of this umbrella is its tilting mechanism, which enables users to adjust the angle of the canopy. This feature is quite practical as it allows for optimal shade throughout the day, adapting to the sun's position. The sturdy construction, with a robust wood pole and strong fabric canopy, ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for outdoor use. The fabric is often designed to resist fading and withstand various weather conditions, which is an important consideration for anyone investing in outdoor furniture. When it comes to usage, setting up the Purple Leaf umbrella is generally straightforward. The cantilever design does require a suitable base for stability, which is an important factor to consider for safety. Once positioned, it can enhance outdoor gatherings, offering a comfortable space for family and friends to enjoy meals, relax, or simply escape from the sun's harsh rays. In conclusion, the Purple Leaf 9-foot by 12-foot Patio Large Cantilever Umbrella presents a blend of functionality and style for outdoor enthusiasts. With its generous size, adjustable canopy, and elegant wood frame, it stands as a worthy consideration for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor experience. Whether for a leisurely afternoon or a social gathering, this umbrella is equipped to provide a welcoming shade solution.